Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Jovenal Narcisse. And for today we are going to unbox an item that I bought from the Signet Store, which is located at Powerplant Mall in Makati City. This item is very simple. It's an accessory, and this is one of my favorite accessories or baseball cap. I usually have a collection of baseball caps in my wardrobe. And for today, we're going to unbox some baseball caps that I got from the Signet Store. First is, this is a denim cap from UES Manufacturing Company, and their logo is a happy day. It's a logo that reminds you that every day you should be happy. And I got this baseball cap. It is size medium from UES. And I would like to share to you a brief history of the brand UES. I don't know how it is pronounced, maybe US. So UES is a small Japanese label founded by Chuji Matsumoto in 1994. And UES comes from the English word waste, W-A-S-T-E, waste, which means that Matsumoto-san wants each every user to make full use of each garment as for long as possible before discarding it. It is a small judgment of the concept of disposable wear that is so commonplace in the world of fashion, and from which Matsumoto-san would like to dissociate himself completely. US seeks to secure the best possible denim fabrics, and so Matsumoto works with a small Japanese workshop filled with antique shuttle looms, making a denim from organic Zimbabwe cotton of the highest possible quality. But it is not just denim that is present in US. We can also find shirts, t-shirts, jackets, socks, caps, all of them painstakingly made according to traditional Japanese craftsmanship and Matsumoto-san's obsession with offering garments that last over time. If you have plans of visiting Tokyo, Japan, for most of us who are denim heads, there is a UES flagship store in Daikanyama, Tokyo, and it's a must to visit. It is a little Japanese wooden house transformed into a veritable haven of peace where you can breathe authentic Japanese tradition and passion for denim. So we'll go back to this baseball cap. Actually, this is a cap made of denim. It has six panels, and of course there is a button, and each panel there is a hole for ventilation, but you don't see any belt or a strap or a buckle. Instead, there is a stretchable garter on the back portion of the cap, and we will see later how it is fit into my head. So this is the denim. It looks like this is a 10 to 12 ounces of weight, and it is nice. What I like in baseball cap is this curved visor. This curve, unlike those newer caps that you see in the market. So this is size medium. I forgot the price. Maybe it's 5,000 to 6,000 pesos for this at the Signet Store. In Japan, the price is 6,400 yen. And the price with tax is 7,040 Japanese yen. It's very cheap. And the other one is one of my favorite fabrics. This is the Hickory fabric. Hickory stripe. You have the black and indigo stripe, and there is a logo with red background and white lettering. A happy day. Very nice. The price is the same. I got this from, of course, Signet Store. This is size medium. It has 6 panels, and each panel you have a button there. And at the back, instead of having a buckle and a strap, there's nothing. You can only see a elastic or stretchable fabric or garter, which is sewed in the hem at the back portion of the cap. This is size medium. The price is the same, 7,040, and that is with tax. Without tax is 6,400 yen, Japanese yen. So it is a curved visor. So if you see them side by side, they are very nice. This is in the dark indigo, and this one is in hickory fabric with black and blue lines. Very nice. So we're going to use it. Very nice. It is snug on the back of my head, and if you can see it on the back, almost the back of your head is covered, so it is very nice. I like this cap because it is very snug into my head, and the visor is curved, so it can cover your eyes if there is sunlight coming from in front of you, so your face is covered. And if you don't want your face to be recognized, you can use this kind of cap from US. Nice. We'll now have this other one. Nice. So it's really snug at the back of my head and at my leg. For this kind of cap, I think there is still some stock available at the Signet Store. However, for this particular fabric, which is the Hickory fabric, I think this is the last item that is available in their store, and I was able to get it. That's it for today's video and unboxing, to include the product review of this UES baseball cap. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe